Ever feel like your WooCommerce store looks fine, but not premium? If you want your products to feel more refined, more intentional, and more high-end, Product Grid Editorial by ShopLentor is built exactly for that. This layout delivers a clean editorial experience with balanced spacing, elegant typography, and a signature view details overlay that encourages deeper browsing. Getting started is simple. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Elements, find Product Grid, Editorial, and switch it on. Next, head to ShopLentor, Template Builder, and click Add New. Enter your template name, for example, Editorial Shop Page. Choose your template type and select which editor you want to use, Elementor or Gutenberg. Make sure to enable Set Default so this becomes your active template. Then choose the pre-designed Product Grid Editorial layout. Click Save, and you're ready to start designing your high-end shop page. Or if you prefer, open any page in Elementor or Gutenberg. Search for Product Grid Editorial and simply drag it into your layout. Your products appear instantly in a clean, editorial-style grid. From there, you can quickly fine-tune what products show up, adjust the layout, and let customers browse in Grid View, List View, or switch between both. With clean visuals, subtle interactions, and a modern editorial feel, your store instantly looks more premium, without overcomplicating anything. If you want your WooCommerce store to look polished, professional, and editorial from the very first glance, Product Grid Editorial makes it effortless.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.